Good morning. Whew. She's a chilly. It's icy and snowy, but the sun is up. But it is chilly. That's from our snowstorm last night. Not bad, eh? Here, we'll step out in the cold here in a sec. See what it looks like. Oh, oh, she's a chilly one. Oh, cold snow. Yeah, there's my camper. My poor tree's all bent. They're coming out because my ramp and everything's gonna go there. I'm gonna have a deck to sit on. I can't wait. I can come out here in the morning in the summer. I can have my breakfast out here. I can sit in the sun because this is east. I get the morning light here. Backyard's a little hot in the afternoon. But yeah, isn't it nice? A spring storm. Oh well, take care everybody. Have a good day.